Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. And first of all, let me wish you all a very happy, prosperous, healthy and wealthy Deepavali. And you may enjoy your good long-term investment in this Diwali. And yes, today, of course, I'm going to discuss important Q2 results update and gold and silver prices updates. And as usual, along with that, I will analyze the Nifty 50 chart and breakout also, and we'll find out important key levels for the next week. So to know the Nifty 50 levels and updates, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also for regular stock market update, stock in news update and digest levels update. So let me share that I already made a video of stock in news of STFCMC corporate action of bonus issue. Please, go through that video. I'm sharing the link in I button, and that video is very important to know the record date and ratio and everything about the bonus. And I have shared the Q2 results also, and the fundamental of this stock, everything in detail. Please go through that video to check the important updates of SDFC AMC. And now let's discuss some important Q2 results which came in last week, even today also and Saturday. So first of all, the Reliance has posted its Q2 result in this week, and the revenue jumped by 4.5% to 2.55 lakh crore, and it all is beating estimate. And after that, the SCFC Bank has posted its results, and their profit also jumped to 18,640 crore, and NII's net interest income at 31,550. And yes, bank also posted a very good result. Their profit climbed by 18%, and that's what a very good result from the Yes Bank also. And ICICI Bank also posted on Saturday their results, and the profit also jumped by 5% around, and it is at 12,359 crore, the net profit, and NII is at 21,527 crore. So overall, I am discussing in very short. You should of course go through detail with all the results. All these stock has posted a very good results. The result is positive. Important commodity update: the yellow and white metal has shined. They have risen so to its highest level, and on this Diwali, on Dhanteras, gold even touched the record of 1,34,000 around the per 10 gram. Means gold is trading on Dhanteras at 1,34,000, even more than that, I guess. 1,34,000 till now, per 10 gram. The gold is trading on Dhanteras, and silver is at even it has touched the 1,70,000 plus, and 1,60,000 trading on at on Dhanteras. So gold and silver, the yellow and white metal, both I have just updated the prices, and I have already updated about the Muhurat trading dates and timing also in yesterday's Saturday video. Please go through that video for the important timings which you should know before the Muhurat trading. And yeah, of course, I have updated the Nifty bank levels and breakout also, everything in detail. I have analyzed the chart, and I'm giving the link in I button. You should definitely go through that video. Now let's quickly go to the Nifty 50 chart, and we'll analyze the good and important good news about the breakout. As in Nifty bank, already a breakout I have analyzed, I have shared, and even in Nifty 50 also, the Nifty 50 also giving a good breakout, ascending triangle pattern breakout. You can see in chart, I have drawn the line here, and this trend line also. Please give your attention, understand. We should definitely learn these patterns and these breakouts scenario. Like this is going upside. This is making a higher low situations. Higher low from here. It is higher low, and even higher high also, which I have I discussed in my last week video also, this is making higher high. And there also I have given the resistance of this level, which was 25,650, and I mentioned that Nifty 50 should definitely break this level to go to the all time high, which is 26,270, around 277 exact, yes. But before that, as I was expecting, it has already broken this neckline of ascending triangle pattern, and you can see here it just broken and even given the closing above that and touched the high of 25,780 around, मतलब 25,800 अराउंड पहुंच चुका है ऑलरेडी, और 25,700 पे क्लोज हुआ है, which is good news that, but we need a confirmation. So for confirmation we have to watch in next week the follow up candle, the confirmation candle should Nifty 50 should make in next week. So need to watch that what is going to happen, as like it is the possibility is that it may retest to the level of 24,000 25,650, or it may go upside towards the all time high of 26,270. And वन पॉसिबिलिटी ये भी है कि यहाँ से इसको ब्रेक करके इट मे कम डाउन, बट द इम्पॉर्टेंट लेवल इज 25,150 और 200, वी कैन से 25,200 विल बी इज इम्पॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट. तो यहाँ के लिए तो वी विल सी व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट वीक. ये लेवल मुझे थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लग रहा है कि लाइक 25,200 अगेन इट विल रीच, बट यस दिस विल बी अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट. इट मे रिटेस्ट टू द लेवल ऑफ 25,650 या 600 अराउंड कह सकते हैं, और उसके ऊपर से ये रेजिस्टेंस इसका हो जाएगा. नाउ इट विल बी 26,270. तो these 2 3 important level you should be mindful for the next week, and the good thing is you have to check this breakout, that this breakout is sustaining or not. This is very important because breakout तो हो चुका है, but breakout sustain कर रहा है कि नहीं, ये एक बहुत ही big question होता है always after the breakout candle. This is the breakout candle, but need a confirmation of follow up candle also, which is also same story in the Nifty Bank. I already discussed and analyzed that there also we need a one breakout sustaining scenario, breakout confirmation candle, there also we need. So uske baad hi we can be confirmed that the breakout is done, and it is going to continue. This Diwali is bringing a very very good news, good market situation for us, and we are really happy. And if it's sustaining, we are going to get and going to make a good returns. And after a long time we are seeing a good performance in Nifty 50 also, and even Nifty Bank also, even lot of sectors indices also, Nifty Metal, Nifty Auto, there also everywhere some good breakout is coming up in future after Diwali. So really Diwali is bringing a very very good scenario. I will discuss the Nifty 50 level, important support resistance again, but before that I have uh, already updated about the Q2 results, important Q2 good results, and the gold and silver prices update. And really, whoever invested in gold last month only, they might be getting very, very good returns. Nifty 50 level again, important support is 25,650, and then 25,200. And important resistance of course all time high, which is 26,277. So at the end of the video, again I want to wish you all enjoy your Diwali, this firework in stock market, even in gold and silver also. And Happy Diwali again. Of course, like and share the video also with your friends and others and spread the happiness. Subscribe the channel also with this kind of important stock market update, stock and news update. And yes, signing off. Happy Diwali.